This is Groovy Space, and today we are in Langwarren, Victoria 3910. We got a drive-up unit here, and this unit is quite packed to the top. And the size of this unit is 4 meter deep, 3 meter wide, and 3 meter high, almost 3 meter high. Okay, we're going to show you some of the goods. Okay. We got about, I think I estimated about 7 mattresses, and that includes the base. Okay, we got a Samsung 8.5 liter washing machine. It's a top loader. This is a wall window type aircon. Most likely these are 2 boxes. So now this mattress is part of the deal here. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, we'll refund you back the cash deposit. There's a mattress here. Now I'm gonna go. I think this is a baby cot here, or baby playpen. Okay. It's a dining chair here. Nothing is tested here. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. The leather is part of the stock, part of the unit. Thank you for watching.